The examination was blank, difficult, that many students failed. Is it A, too, B, so, C, very, D, much? Pwede na siguro nating Coach, can we already eliminate 2? Yeah, okay, sige, eliminate it right away. Again, for question number 9, the examination was blank, difficult, that many students failed. Is it letter A, 2, B, so, C, very, D, much? Could you please send us your answer? Again, if you are interested to enroll in Team Padayon Review Center, you'd like to learn more strategies, you like to have someone to review you, to be your review partner, you just comment how in our comment section. For number 9, the examination was blank, difficult, that many students failed. A, 2, B, so, C, very, D, match. Okay. Aram says A, Maidel B, May C, Noreen A, Neslak C, Marnelli B. I hope you are monitoring your scores, and your answer and your incorrect numbers or questions. A, C. Which really is your answer, LJ? Is it A or is it C? Oh, she removed the other one. Sheila B, Hilda B, Jeneline C. Okay, let's reveal the answer. The examination was blank, difficult, that many students failed. For this one, the correct answer is so. The examination was so difficult that many students failed. Okay, so bakit po kaya ito? So this is my suggestion, and this is a structure that we should follow. May correct structure po kasi when we make use of so, tapos nakita mo pa merong adjective and the word that. We make use of the pattern so plus adjective plus that. In this particular example, ano po ba yung adjective? It describes the noun. Di ba? Yung adjective tells something about Yun po yung pattern na pinapollow natin. Again, could you please tell me nga po, tell Coach Risa, which is the adjective in this particular example? Again, for the benefit of those who already forgot what an adjective is, it is a word that describes, modifies, or gives more information about the noun or the pronoun. In this particular example, ano ba yung noun natin? Diba? The examination. Ay, sorry, na-reveal ko na. I'm sorry for that. Daldal. No? Hindi pala noun ang hinahanap natin, di ba? I ask you what is our adjective, which is the adjective in this given sentence. Yung describes the noun, yung noun natin, examination. So, ano yung sinasabi about examination? Okay. Alin po yung adjective natin? Kasi we have to know that so that we may be aware of this particular pattern, yung so plus adjective plus that. Ayan magkakatabi siya in the given sentence and example. Difficult according to Sir Arthur. Yes. Jinky also says difficult. Rosalinda, difficult. Yeah. It tells something about the noun. Ano yung examination? Oh, it's difficult. Again, if you will be encountering questions like this, tapos nakitaan mo na siya ng adjective plus that, ang nasa unahan niya lagi ay yung so. Kasi that is the correct structure. So plus adjective plus that. In this particular example, yung so plus adjective mo na difficult plus the word that. Okay? So difficult that many students failed. Okay? Ano pa pong mga examples natin? So tired that she slept early. So hot that we stayed indoors. Lahat po sila, it follows that particular pattern. The so, your adjective, and the word that. Okay, very good. Thank you so much for that. Let's move on to our last question for tonight. Again, this is just a free review, ha? Free lang po ito. But when you enroll in Team Padayon Review Center for only 500 pesos, you will be learning so many things, a lot.